Alright, I flipped it over and now we are flattening the top side. And it's going to be opposite of the bottom side. The bottom side, it was being cut in the middle and took the outside last. Now it's going to cut the outside first and in the middle last. So now it's probably not going to touch anything until it goes all the way to the other side of the wood, the piece that's furthest away from the the camera right now. And it's not going to touch any of this. So I'm going to pause it till it gets over there. Now we're on the other side and you can see where it's cutting, where it goes light at. This next pass is probably going to cut a lot more. You'll hear it. There it is.
That corner must have been...
There you go, cutting some more wood. Still at a high spot right here. Well, not a high spot. I don't want to overcut it. Once I take the material away, I can't put it back. So we're cutting small chunks at a time. You see how close it is. This is kind of boring right here because it's not actually cutting anything. Once it cuts stuff, that's the cool part. There we go. And it's going to cut right there. There we go. It's just going to take a while. It's going to work from the outside inwards, and all it's doing is flattening it to make it perfectly parallel, top surface to bottom surface. Alright, the next set of passes should be next to the last. If you look over there in that corner, where it's kind of dark spot, that's what we're trying to get rid of. This pass here should do that. I hope. It's probably going to have a little bit left over though, but if I have to run a couple more passes, I will. But once that spot right there is flat, then we'll be done. It looks flat from here, but that's epoxy that's leaked out up and over the wood. And we're trying to make sure the wood is exposed and not covered up with epoxy. So, got a few more passes to go to get that thing perfectly flat. Let's see what happens here. I got some of it. See the dark spot? That dark spot needs to go away. So we're going to have to do another couple passes over the whole board just to get rid of that.